Hello dear friends! In this video I'll show you how to make a walnut cake. It's easy to prepare and incredibly delicious. You'll find the full list of ingredients below the video. Combine sugar with eggs and beat at high speed until a thick, fluffy foam forms, about 6 minutes. Add sour cream, neutral oil, and a pinch of vanilla powder. Beat again. Add ground walnuts, baking powder, and flour gradually, stirring to achieve the same consistency as in the video. Every sour cream is different, so adjust the batter as shown. I use a springform pan lined with parchment and sealed with foil. Pour the batter in, smoothing it so the edges are slightly higher than the center. Bake in a preheated oven. See the temperature and time in the video description. Do not open the door while baking. Check with a wooden skewer for doneness. Cool the sponge on a rack, wrap it in plastic, and refrigerate for 6 to 12 hours. Cut the cooled sponge into 2 equal layers with a knife or a cake wire. Prepare the cream. Ingredients are listed below the video. Add boiled condensed milk to room temperature butter. You can substitute caramel if preferred. Beat with a mixer until smooth and uniform. Add ground walnuts and mix again. Soak the sponge with brewed cappuccino. Place in a cake ring. Spread the cream evenly. and top with the second layer soaked with cappuccino. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate overnight. By morning, the cake will have stabilized and absorbed the flavors. Remove the form and wrap. Top with melted chocolate and butter glaze. Chill for 5 to 7 minutes to set. Trim the edges and cut into slices. Decorate each slice with jelly crystals and small decorative stars. This cake is perfect for nut lovers. Simple, rich, and utterly delicious. Enjoy and happy baking!